So when I asked Passion, the braider who did my hair, how she wanted my hair prepped for the actual braiding session, she said to come with no products in my hair. Now as a natural, that's like, no products. However, I prep my hair in such a way that it is good and ready to go so that she can work her magic on it. And the simple things that I do before I even reach to the braider ensures that when I do take down these braids, that the integrity of my hair is still intact. Hey guys, it's your girl Nelly, Nelly B, and I'm trying to be cute with this hairstyle, but it keeps like falling. So you're going to be doing this a lot. Bear with me. But today I want to talk about how I prep my hair for any type of protective style, especially in this case braids. Off the heels of that video, a few of you guys here on YouTube and via Instagram asked me about how I prep my hair, so I said I would share it in a video. And for those of you who are asking what it's like trying the knotless braids so far, listen, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Knotless braids is it, is life, is everything. I absolutely love it. I'm surprised I like the length of it. I'm very surprised I like the length of it. I said that in my last video. And overall, yeah, 1 week in, enjoying it and having fun with it, even though it's wrapped up most of the time because I'm home. But no regrets thus far, having a time. Anyway, if you're new here, hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're a regular, always good to see you. Let's talk about this prep. So the first thing that I do is I wash my hair. So I don't want to go to a braider with a set of like product buildup on my scalp and all that jazz. So I wash my hair. So on this particular wash day, in terms of shampoo, I went in with the Peowa Organics Flaxseed and Lavender Replenishing Hair Wash. Now this is old. I have this a while now, but it is so good on my scalp. Like, this is one of the, I don't want to say few, but there are a couple of my shampoos in my stash that when I want to literally like get like all that product, when I want a squeaky clean scalp, this is one of them. So when I wash my hair, I focus even more so on my scalp. Like I gave myself a good scalp massage and then I worked it down through my hair. Admittedly, I didn't have too much product build up, so that was good for my strands, but my scalp could always deal with the extra cleanse, so this Peowa cleanser came in handy. So after I rinsed out the shampoo, I went in with the Crown Heritage Platinum Protein Treatment. I always try to do, especially now, a protein treatment because I realize the difference that it has on my hair. Yes, the review on this is coming, but I mean, the fact that I've been using it, y'all should know how I feel about it by now, but the review is coming really soon. I promise, look out for it. But I went in with this after because what I've learned is that braiding your hair does put some tension on your hair. And you're putting some extra weight on the hair because, I mean, this is not as, you know, as light as your own natural hair. This is a synthetic fiber. So I want to, you know, make sure that my hair has enough strength to hold up with the braids and that sort of jazz. So I went in with the protein treatment. After I went in with the Crown Heritage Platinum Protein Treatment, I went in with a deep conditioner. This is the Main Choice Alpha Deep Strengthening and Restorative Mask Treatment. I have used it a couple times before. I think it's a really nice conditioner. My hair really likes it, and I felt that it would have paired well with the protein treatment that I did, and it did. This left my hair feeling really nice and soft after. I took the opportunity when the deep conditioner was in my hair to detangle because not all the time I detangle when the deep conditioner is in. I often prefer to detangle when I have my leave-in in my hair, but given that I wouldn't be putting any leave-in into my hair, I detangled then. Detangling was a breeze, and then, well, I rinsed that out. So deep conditioner is rinsed out, and on any regular wash day, I would then, you know, start my leave-in, etc., etc. But of course I can't do that. So after I had put my towel turban on and let my hair get to, I would say, probably about 75% dry, I misted my hair with this. Now you're probably wondering what's in the mist bottle. This is in the mist bottle. So this is the Laid, which is by PuffCuff, Daily Curl Revitalizing Mist Concentrate. So how does it work? You pour half of this into the bottle, and then you put the other half of the bottle, you fill that up with water, you give it a good shake. You have to make sure and shake this before you pour it into hair, of course, and you get a mist with a little extra something. I did notice, because I've been toying around with this for a while, that my hair did feel, you know, a little more slightly somewhat kind of moisturized-ish, if that's a word, using this in it versus just using water in this alone. So I gave my hair a good dose of this because while I know that I had to go with no product in my hair, this just gave me, you know, a little confidence, a little boost of, okay, at least my hair isn't like gonna dry out on me. And it was dry enough after that, you know, the braider was able to do, Passion was able to do what she needed to do with my hair, but it still didn't feel like dry like straw. So I was kind of thankful for that. After I had applied that into my hair, I just put my hair in 2 flat twists. I didn't want to put it in plaits because normally I would put my hair in plaits to stretch it out a bit. And that's because when I put my hair in plaits with no product in it, to undo those plaits, this be a nightmare. So I said, you know what? Let me put my hair into 2 flat twists, which I did just from the front around the crown to the back, and I put either, I think it was a satin bonnet or a satin beanie on, and I slept with my hair like that, and then the next day was up and ready to go and get my hair done. And the thing about the flat twist as well is that it also stretched out my hair, and my hair wasn't, you know, too tangled. Actually, she said my hair was actually pretty good in terms of it didn't need that much detangling. She did, as you guys would have seen in the previous video, she did do a blowout on my hair, a light blowout, and she said that was actually relatively easy for her to do because of how I prepped my hair. So that is how I prepped my hair for these braids. Braids are going well. I do have some other products that I received, and I would have shown them in a Vlogmas video, products that are, you know, the products that are meant for keeping your hair and your scalp intact while you have them in a protective style. So if you want to see a video on those, let me know. Also, let me know what you guys are doing with your hair for 2022. Are you guys braiding? Are you guys weaving? Are y'all doing crochet? Are you on, you know, the wig game? Let me know what y'all are doing. If you're just not bothered, or if you're, you know, usually like me, my head is in some plaits or some twists underneath my bonnet because I don't leave the house. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.